regarding the original purpose of your call. We record and monitor our calls. Details of your experience may be shared within Procter & Gamble, and we may recontact you regarding the original purpose of your call. If you are calling about the limited product voluntary recall, please note there is a complete list of recalled products available on the Eukanuba and Iams website. This recall does not include any wet product or treats. This recall is U.S.-based only. Also, no Iams So Good products are involved, no Eukanuba XL products are involved, and no Iams Mini Chunks are involved. Also, if your product was purchased prior to July 5th, your food is not affected. Less than 0.1% of product is affected by this recall. If you are calling because you have product affected by this recall, and you would like instructions on how to receive a replacement, please press 1 for instructions. If you have affected product and would like a replacement voucher, please slip the code date from your bag and the UPC and mail to Consumer Relations, Attention Katie, 8700 Mason, Montgomery Road, Box 1534, Mason, Ohio, 45040. If you have multiple affected bags, please also include a register receipt with the code date and the UPC. Be sure to include your complete address and telephone number. All replacements will be processed within 4 to 6 weeks. To repeat this message, please press 9. To speak with a representative, please press 0. If you have affected product and would like a replacement voucher, please slip the code date from your bag and the UPC and mail to Consumer Relations, Attention Katie, 8700 Mason, Montgomery Road, Box 1534, Mason, Ohio, 45040. If you have multiple affected bags, please also include a register receipt with the code date and the UPC. Be sure to include your complete address and telephone number. All replacements will be processed within 4 to 6 weeks. To repeat this message, please press 9.